To everyone, and of course, first and foremost, congratulations to all the players, the winners, and all those who competed from the qualifiers. No? So very proud that together with the Philippine Sports Commission, with PhilTA, as well as the Bagong Pilipinas, the government of course, and of course our partners from Gen3, we're very proud to really conduct this first Palawan Open in the country. I remember we had this conversation with our founder and chairman, Bobby Castro, who could not be here because he is in Spain right now. But I remember after the success ng Gen3 Open last year, that paved the way, no, para suportahan pa ang tennis community with tournaments like this. And what is important as well is hindi to magiging possible not just without the support of PhilTA with Congressman Eric, with of course the Philippine Sports Commission, and of course, nasan ba si Mr. Bobby Mangunay, ang ating tournament director? Mukhang nagtatago, mas kabado pa sa mga players, no? So, nevertheless, we would like to thank all the players again, to the winners, and to those who participated. And so for this program, we're very much looking forward to of course, share a lot of prizes, hear from the players, and more importantly is build a stronger tennis community together. Thank you very much.